There are words that build you and words that break you. When adversity hits, it's not just what you do that matters, it's what you say to yourself. Because resilience isn't about smiling through hell. It's about speaking truth when your mind wants comfort. So here are 5 things you should never say when things get hard, if you want to stay unbreakable. 1. Why me? This is not a question. It's a curse dressed as a plea. You're not cursed. You're being carved, not punished, prepared. The Stoics never asked, why me? They asked, how can I endure this with virtue? If you suffer, suffer with meaning. If you fall, rise with purpose. Why me delays the lesson. What now delivers you through it. This moment doesn't define you. Your response does. 2. I can't handle this. That's not truth. That's training, talking. You think you're weak because you've practiced weakness. You've rehearsed defeat in your own mind. Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. You were not made to collapse. You were made to carry, with your spine straight and your soul on fire. Stop saying, I can't. Start proving that you can. You don't break, you adapt. 3. This isn't fair. Fair? The universe owes you nothing. Not comfort, not clarity, not even closure. Marcus Aurelius faced betrayal, plagues, war, and still said, life is opinion. You decide what it means. This isn't fair is the anthem of the soft. But you're not here for fairness. You're here for strength. Don't chase fairness. Forge fortitude. That's Stoicism. 4. I don't care anymore. Yes, you do. This is not detachment. It's avoidance. It's the mask of the overwhelmed. I don't care is apathy pretending to be power. But true strength? It's caring even when you're bruised, showing up when you're exhausted. Stoicism isn't about feeling less. It's about caring wiser. You don't need to numb your heart. You need to sharpen it. 5. I'll deal with it later. Later is the graveyard of warriors, the trap that buries change. You're not promised another moment. Seneca wrote, it is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Every second you delay, the storm grows stronger. Whatever it is, face it now. Don't wait to be ready. Act before fear gets louder. Action is the antidote to adversity. Adversity doesn't kill you. Your words do. So stop saying what weakens you. Speak with action. Think like a philosopher. Act like your future depends on it, because it does. Subscribe for more Stoic fire.